We all know that space is weird as it is. Its mysteriousness is precisely the reason why people were fascinated with the night sky and space exploration since the beginning of life on Earth. You all may know what an exoplanet is. If not, we will define it for you. An exoplanet or extrasolar planet is a planet outside the solar system. We have listed 7 such fascinating exoplanets in this video. Make sure to watch till the end. Number 7 is TRAPPIST 2b, exoplanet darker than coal. This planet is located 750 light years away from the solar system. The discovery date of the exoplanet is 21 August 2006. The planet has been identified in 2011 as the darkest known exoplanet, reflecting less than 1% of any light that hits it. And the light reflected is dimly red, which gives the planet an evil red color. The size of the planet is same as Jupiter, and the orbital period is 59 hours. Unlike Jupiter, but similar to many planets detected around other stars, TRAPPIST 2b is located very close to its star and belongs to the class of planets known as hot Jupiters. This system was within the field of view of the Kepler spacecraft. Number 6 is TRAPPIST 1b, that is a Venus-like exoplanet. It is a mainly rocky Venus-like exoplanet orbiting around the ultra-cold dwarf star TRAPPIST 1, located approximately 39 light years away from Earth in the constellation Aquarius. It was first detected on May 26, 2016. The size of the exoplanet is 12% larger than Earth, and the orbital period is 1.51 Earth days or about 36 hours. The planet's extremely thick atmosphere has likely risen its temperature far above its equilibrium temperature of 245.6 degrees Fahrenheit. In 2018, the planet's atmosphere was better examined with the Spitzer Space Telescope and found to be quite large and hot. Number 5 is Korotte 7b, that is a rocky exoplanet. Korotte 7b is an exoplanet orbiting around the star Korotte 7 in the constellation Monoceros at 489 light years from Earth. It was first detected in February 2009. The size of the planet is a little more than 1.5 Earths, and the orbital period is 20 hours or 0.9 Earth days. The reason why the sunrise on this planet looks so intense is because it's 60 times closer to its star than we are to our sun. That is, Korotte 7b's star is 360 times larger in the sky. On its day side, this planet can reach 4700 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt and vaporize rock. Korotte 7b was thought to be the first rocky, Earth-like exoplanet discovered. However, we now classify it as uninhabitable and place the probability of life on this world as none. Fourth one is Kepler 10c, that is a mega-Earth. Kepler 10c lies 560 light years from Earth in the constellation Draco, where it orbits Kepler 10 with a year of 45 days. It is a planet that weighs 17 times as much as Earth. The discovery date of the exoplanet is May 23, 2011. The size of the planet is twice of Earth, and the orbital period is 45 Earth days. Planet formation theorists are challenged to explain how such a massive world could have formed. It is actually so unusual, it has opened up a new category of exoplanets called mega-Earths. Kepler 10c may require scientists to rethink their ideas on planet formation and the likelihood of life in our galaxy. Number 3 is WASP 12b, that is an exoplanet that's eating up light. It's strange to see a planet stretched out into such an elongated shape, and yet that's exactly what the gravity of the parent star of WASP 12b is doing. The planet is estimated to have only 10 million years left to live as it gets ripped apart and consumed by its sun at the rate of about 189 quadrillion tons every year. The discovery date of the exoplanet is April 1, 2008. The size of the planet is 1.8 Jupiters. The orbital period is 1.1 Earth days. Its sun isn't the only one doing the consuming, however. WASP 12b was a surprise to scientists who weren't expecting to see such a pitch black exoplanet. The world has a unique property where it absorbs instead of reflects 94% of light. It has been called black as asphalt. Number 2 is Gliese 436b. That is an exoplanet defying the laws of physics. 30 light years away from Earth lies the planet Gliese 436b, a planet a mere 2.5 million miles from its star. Its temperature is about 288 degrees Fahrenheit, certainly hot enough to evaporate water. And yet, this planet is so fascinating precisely because its water remains in solid form. That is, GJ436b is a planet of burning ice. This isn't the kind of ice you find here on Earth, but rather a special one called ice VII that results when it has a denser and more crystalline structure. The discovery date of the planet is August 31, 2004. The size is as big as Neptune, and the orbital period is 2.6 Earth days. Scientists believe this ice formed due to strong gravitational force at the planet's core. The first place is taken by 55 Cancri e, that is a diamond exoplanet. Also known as Jensen, this planet is 40 light years away and is most famously known for being one-third diamond. This could be the result of an atmosphere that's mostly carbon, allowing the heat and pressure from both its sun and its interior to compress the planet's mass into diamond. The discovery date is 30 August 2004. The size of the planet is about 2 Earths, and the orbital period is 0.7 Earth days. Jensen is tidal locked and has one side of the planet that always faces the sun, and the other which is perpetually in darkness. It's so close to its star that water cannot exist in a liquid state, and instead exist in a supercritical state, a strange behavior somewhere between a liquid and a gas. The temperature on the hot side of the planet reaches 4000 degrees Fahrenheit, or in the dark twilight zone. There's no chance you will survive on Jensen. That's it for today's video. The exoplanets are indeed beautiful and fascinating components of universe. Which one do you find the most fascinating? Comment below.